one thing that he does mention in this book is he has a gambling section in this book, and one problem that many gamblers have been trying to solve is how it's possible to cheat in a slightly more casual game of cards. You see, the problem for the cheat in these style of games is that every new round, a different player gets an opportunity to shuffle, cut, and deal the cards. Meaning that if the cheat is working by himself, he won't have control of the cards he receives every single round. Now, there was an idea that was thought of to solve this problem, and to illustrate this idea, I'll be using a few cards. We'll be using the kings as well as the aces in this case, and for this demonstration, the aces will be the important cards, as I'll be cheating with them. You see, the idea was this. Before the game, the cheat could secretly take the aces out of the pack and place them into his 4 separate pockets, meaning that later on in the game, when he eventually was dealt a bad hand, he'd be able to take those aces and surreptitiously switch them out with the bad cards in his hand. The bad cards in this case being represented by the 4 kings. And now I would like to tell you that there was a solution for this idea, but that would be a bit of a lie. You see, it's one of those problems within gambling that is yet to be solved. However, just humor me for a moment. If we really were to believe that this style of cheating were true, if we really could switch out the bad cards with the aces in our pocket, this is what it could look like. You see, just in the action of the cheat sort of looking or peeking at his card, he could get one of those kings to change into, or more correctly, switch places with one of the aces which he previously had in his pocket. I'll try this with the next card. You'll actually see the moment the king of clubs switches places with the ace of clubs. Now that's 2 aces down and 2 to go. The next card I'll do as slowly as I can. The next king, we'll try the king of diamonds, and in fact I'll roll my sleeves up because I know none of you trust me. Watch very closely as the ace of diamonds switches places with the king of diamonds. Now that leaves me with the final card, the king of hearts. Watch very closely as it changes instantaneously into the ace of hearts. And there you have it, all 4 of the aces, which means that I now have a fairly good chance of winning the game because, well, the evidence of my bad hand, the kings, is now scattered throughout my 4 separate pockets, starting over here with the king of clubs. In this pocket over here, the king of diamonds. In my trouser pocket over here, we have the 3rd king, the king of spades, and last but not least, in my inside jacket pocket, the final king, the king of hearts.
All right.
So, guys, that was obviously Dom performing some absolute precision sleight of hand there. You can see. Obviously, he was performing some of the stuff from Drawing Room Receptions. If you don't have this, I don't even know. Can you still get this? I'm a magic shop, and I don't even know if we can still get it.
Yeah. At the moment, it is out of print, I think, but it will be back in print at the beginning of 2024, I believe. I think Guy has said he will be reproducing that.
Yeah. Along with the second
book, yes.
So
go buy both.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.